Yeah, my people, many people they tell me, say, Prince Steve, you beg, show us how to use Pesa to send money go Nigeria, because that 10 euro. Now Dururi say I must to chop am. I'd already installed the app, but how to use it now my problem. So now waiting, I won't go show now for this video now. So you whenever install the app, you first enter the comment section of this video. Use the link when I keep for that place to install the app, so that you go chop the 10 euro bonus. Pesa na one ogbonge app where you go fit use to wire money go Naija. Now, if you see the app for here now for my screen now, so make I open them. If you open now, so you go see say yes, it go day like this. After you don't register, do everything. You go see the app say it day like this. Now, if you want to send money, you see where they write send. You see them? Now you can see say yes. From here now, if you type any amount of money you want to send, go for Naija to receive in Nigeria. But you know, go fit just come here direct. If money never did inside the app, you go back, you can add money. If you check my own, I did 00 because money when I add, I'd already send that out. Should be the get. Then if you check the other side, you see say I get 2,000 naira. So this app, if you use and send money from here to Nigeria, from Europe to Nigeria, from Nigeria to Europe. If you check it now, so I get 2,000 naira when I put for here. If you convert this 2,000 naira now, go for euro. Will not be that one I won't show you now for here. So I have to add money for inside euro, so that if you use and send go Nigeria. Now to touch this place with the right add money. You see, now euro now you can't touch euro. Now you get two ways where you go fit put money for inside this app, so that you go send the money go Nigeria. Now the first one, I be this one now. So when you go link your bank, if you touch here now, so you continue. Then you come bring out the names of bank: Inter San Paulo, Revolut, Posta Pay, Unicredit, Banco Posta. So different bank go there here. If you not see your bank for all these places where they list now, so if you search the name of your bank, you understand? This is one of the way you go fit use to add money for the app. Another way again, if you still go back, say okay, you don't want to stress yourself for anything. Say you want to do direct bonifico, then what you need to do. Now be say you can't go back like this. You can't go back to the former place where for the come. The second one, which is bank transfer, you say pay directly into the provided account and let Pesa handle the rest. Now, if you touch this one now, so you go see say your IBAN and your name for Pesa go just come out. This one that they see for my screen and my own. You decide for that place now. This one is my own IBAN. I know say maybe send and put for this my own. Oh. So if you touch and now so your own go still come out. You can copy the IBAN, copy your name. Then you can't go for your normal bank. As you say, they do bonifico, they give anybody where you like. You go still do bonifico, put for inside this particular account where you they see. Where be your own, not be this my own, where be your own. Then you go enter inside the app direct. Any amount where you do have instant. You go enter inside the app direct. Then you can't go back to the app, just as we talk. Then you can't go send money. So once you put the money, go show for this place where they show 00, and I go show immediately. Like this, you always until send money go Naija. So now so it be. If you not understand the video, you get any question, keep them for comment section. This app na ogbenge na it be. Not miss that 10 euro when you need to chop. Most of not already install the app, but to use and send money, now waiting una never still understand. And now waiting, I just show now how to use the app.